little learners, today we are going to start with chapter 8, that is our festival. So in this chapter we will study about 3 types of festival: national festival, religious festival and some special occasion. National festival में आपका इंडिपेंडेंस डे, रिपब्लिक डे और गांधी जयंती आ जाती है. वहीं हम बात करें रिलीजियस फेस्टिवल की, वी हैव होली, दिवाली, क्रिसमस, ईद उल फितर. These are the different types of religious festival. So Bharat has many religions. So we have many festivals to celebrate. Some of them are religious, some of them are national. और हम कुछ बर्थडे भी सेलिब्रेट करते हैं of the some great people. So let's talk about national festival. We have 3 national festival. First is Independence Day. So Bharat got freedom from British rule on 15th of August 1947. We celebrate this day as Independence Day. जो मेन फंक्शन क्या होता है कि हम रेड फोर्ट न्यू दिल्ली पे जाते हैं, फ्लैग अनफर्ल करते हैं, होस्ट करते हैं एंड वी रिमेंबर फ्रीडम फाइटर्स. हम उन फ्रीडम फाइटर्स को रिमेंबर करते हैं जिन्होंने अपनी लाइफ को सेक्रीफाइस करा है. किसके लिए? कंट्री के फ्रीडम के लिए. सो इट्स अ नेशनल हॉलीडे, नेशनल हॉलीडे होता है. इफ वी टॉक अबाउट रिपब्लिक डे, 26th of January in 1950 our constitution came into effect. The main function is held in New Delhi. A great grand parade is held or taken out at Rajpath, and it takes place in the other states' capitals, and many tabules of different states from integral part of the parade is held. The armed forces, जो भी armed forces है, पुलिस है, school children है, सब इसमें part लेते हैं. Right? Then we have Gandhi Jayanti. Mahatma Gandhi was born on 2nd October 1869, and the birthday of Mahatma Gandhi is celebrated as Gandhi Jayanti. Right? तो main function क्या होता है? Is held at Samadhi of Mahatma Gandhi at Rajghat in New Delhi. Prime Minister, the President and other ministers offers prayers at Samadhi. इस दिन क्या होता है? इतने भी Indians हैं, they have taken pledge to follow Gandhi's teaching of non-violence. Now religious festival like Holi, Diwali, Dashera, Eid and Christmas, these are the religious festival. Next is Diwali, which is known as Deepavali, a row of light. It's a festival of light. इस दिन हम किसकी पूजा करते हैं? Goddess Lakshmi and Lord Ganesha, right? And what we do, we decorate our house with beautiful lights and we light candles and we exchange gifts with our friends and relatives. We distribute sweets, and what children do, they fire crackers, right? Then we have Holi, which is the festival of color. ये किस month में आता है? March में, right? It marks the harvesting of crops and beginning of summer season. Crops harvest होते हैं और summer season की शुरुआत होती है. दशहरा की बात करें, on this day Lord Ram killed the demon Ravan, the 10-headed king. Victory of good over evil. Ram Leela is tagged for 10 or more days, right before Dashera. Huge effigies of Ravan, Kumbhakarn and Meghnad are burned. In West Bengal, if we talk about, we have some other state जहाँ पे दशहरा को एज अ दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेट करा जाता है. Now Eid al-Fitr, it is celebrated after a month-long period of fasting called Ramzan. नवाज ये जाते हैं, ये मॉस्क में जाते हैं, नवाज पढ़ते हैं, and people wear new clothes. और एक special dish होती है, sweet dish सर कहते हैं, सिवैया is prepared, and they embrace each other by wishing Eid Mubarak, right? A special sweet dish developed is Sivaiya. Money and clothes are donated to the poor people. Then we have Christmas, is the main festival of Christian, which is celebrated on 25th of December every year as a birthday of Jesus Christ. Special prayer are held. People exchange gifts during Christmas. Houses are decorated with lights, and what people do, they decorate Christmas tree. और वो Christmas tree को decorate करते हैं. Then we have Guru Parv, birthday of Sikh Guru, which is celebrated as Guru Parv. Prayers are held and huge processions are taken out. Right? In the Gurudwaras, grand celebration are held at Golden Temple. ठीक है, celebration होता है Golden Temple in Amritsar. लंगर are organized. Gurudwaras में लंगर organize करे जाते हैं. Next we have harvest festivals. Harvest is the time when the crops are ready for cutting and gathering. Farmers become happy that they get the fruits of their hard work. It's time for celebration. Harvest festival are celebrated in almost all the states. ठीक है, सारे states में celebrate कर जाते हैं. Like बिहू, असम में इसे हम माघ बिहू कहते हैं. It's marks the enjoyment of the month of Magh, मतलब जो month of January होता है. What happens? Feast, bonfire and traditional games मेक्स द फेस्टिवल वेरी स्पेशल. यंग गर्ल्स क्या करती है, दे वियर ट्रेडिशनल ड्रेसेस और वो क्या परफॉर्म करते हैं, बिहू डांस. नेक्स्ट वी हैव बैसाखी. इट्स अ हार्वेस्ट फेस्टिवल ऑफ पंजाब. After the hard work in the field, it's time for the farmers to celebrate. People perform bhangra and gidda. क्या perform करते हैं, भांगड़ा और गिद्दा perform करते हैं. And what is Pongal? It marks the end of rice harvesting. It is celebrated in Tamil Nadu for 4 days. Rice is cooked in milk and jaggery. Rice को milk और jaggery में cook कर जाता है, जिसे हम पोंगल राइस कहते हैं. People draw columns तो अपने houses को decorate करते हैं. Cows are washed and decorated and feed with pongal rice. In Andhra Pradesh and Karnataka, फेस्टिवल को हम एज अ संक्रांति भी सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. ओनम कहाँ का फेस्टिवल है, केरला का. इसको हम फेस्टिवल ऑफ फ्लावर्स भी कहते हैं. एंड व्हेन इट कम्स, इट फॉल्स इन द मंथ ऑफ अगस्त एंड सितंबर. ठीक है, अगस्त और सितंबर के महीने में मनाया जाता है. स्नेक बोट्स आर है, यहाँ पे स्नेक बोट रेस होती है. राइट, देन वी हैव सम स्पेशल ओकेजन लाइक बर्थडेज. So, birthday of the great people are celebrated at festival, like birthday of Lord Gautam Buddha, which is Buddha Purnima, birthday of Lord Mahavira, Mahavir Jayanti. Then we have Jawaharlal Nehru's birthday, 40th November. ठीक है, उनको चाचा नेहरू कहते थे, तो एज अ चिल्ड्रंस डे हम सेलिब्रेट करते हैं. देन वी हैव बर्थडे ऑफ डॉक्टर एस राधाकृष्णन, जिनको हम एज अ टीचर्स डे सेलिब्रेट करते हैं, इनके बर्थडे. रक्षाबंधन और राखी सेलिब्रेटेड एज अ मार्क ऑफ स्ट्रेंथ एंड रिलेशनशिप. As a mark to strength and the relationship between brother and sister. So the literal meaning of the word Raksha Bandhan is the bond of protection. So on this day, sister क्या करती है? Sister, they tie Rakhi on their brother wrist, and the brother in turn offers a gift to the sister and vows to protect her from all the harms and troubles, and the sister also prays to protect the brother from all evil. जितनी भी evil है उससे बचाते हैं. So this was all about the different festival. Hope you understood each and everything. Now we'll meet in the next class. That's all for today. Thank you.